how to take online learner's permit test in New York, and is possible. Google search for online learner's permit test NY, and then you want to click on the first website that pops up right here. Now if you scroll down, you will see an option to prepare for the permit test. And right here you have the New York State driver manual and practice tests. Once you click on it, then right here it is going to show you a practice test with the different chapters. And if you want to take these tests, all you have to do is click on the chapter which you want to take, and it's going to display the quiz and the questions essentially. So if you want to do it online, you can't really do it, but you can get pre-screened here. So you can click on get pre-screened, and then you will type out your information, and it is gonna essentially tell you if you qualify. And once you are ready, then here you will need to apply for a permit. You will need to bring all of this information and go to your local DMV office, and that is where you take the test essentially. So you can't do it online, but you can do it online to practice, and then you have to go to DMV. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.